Hello. Yes. 9 steps. Fine. Very good. So now we can play with it. Hello. Welcome back to Python Challenge for All. So we almost finished again the 8 puzzle breadth first search solver. Okay, so we will check horizontally to all the possible moves, states, okay, and to find a path to the goal. Okay. So the implementation is, as I said, use open list, which is a task list to do next, and closed list is a kind of done list, which contains the list of states that we have already checked that it is not a goal. Okay, so yeah, right. So this is what we did last time. Pop the first path from the pop the first path from the open L, and then generate next possible solutions, next possible moves. If it is not goal, generate next possible moves, and then right, push it to append it to the open L like this. Okay, path plus new state. Go. So it will be like this. Okay, and then if it is not in the done list, try it by later by popping up in the open it. So we will finish the operations. Last time we made a call to S key to solver, right? So here we made in the main loop update function, we made S key will call solver, and if the solution is found, it is put in the self.solution. Then next we will make demonstrator to show the step-by-step state transition, seeing the solution. So show steps. Let's define show steps function, maybe here. Okay, this is good enough. So define show steps. Okay, self. And what we need to do is, if there's a solution, if there's no solution given, if none is given, we will do nothing. Then if there is a solution, so the self board is self.solution dot pop 0. So it will take the first element in the solution and show it in the board. And then, yeah, maybe we will make the step, we will increase solve dot steps by 1. And then maybe print something just to help us understand what's going on. So it's like self steps. Yeah, good. Colon. Maybe we want to check the same thing here. So maybe we will check that envenom is the parity is the same, and also maybe yeah, self dot board. Okay, so this is good enough. Oh, I need, of course, to put it in a curly bracket. Okay, and then what else? Yeah, we need to call this show steps. So maybe here we want to call it by space key. So to do that, we have to do like that, like very close. Button N, button P, pixel key dot space. Okay. If space key is hit, call self dot show steps. This is good. So let's see how it looks like. Now remember, the solution returned from the solver is a list of states. It begins from the next move, next to the, after the initial state. So I think this is good enough. Okay, let's make one more thing. Yeah, let's call it and see from the last problem we tried last time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then let's hit S key. S. Okay, it's solved in 2 steps. So now we hit space key. No. In the new the show steps function, of course, it should be pop. Sorry. It was a step. Sorry. Word step. Yeah, step. Okay. S space space. Good. Done. Okay. Now we can try more difficult problems. But I don't know if it can solve all the problems. So let's make generate a new game with N key. So here, also in the main loop, here, the third one is generate N key by key N. Sorry. If key N is given, new game should be called. Okay, so another thing is new game. Yeah, this will call next possible new games. Okay, let's try randomly whether this program can solve any problems given. Okay, for this, for example, let's hit S. Give up. N, S. Most of the time it gives up. So maybe we can try. Yeah, last time we did it only 100. So maybe we should try 10,000. Let's try this. S. Thinking, give up. Okay, N. S. Thinking, give up. It seems the problem is too difficult. So let's prepare easier problems first with fixed panels. To do that, maybe we will fix the first 3 panels on the first row. Okay, to do that, in the new game function, new game function here. Okay, new game function, maybe we can fix the first 3, and so maybe instead of randomizing everything, we can okay. So we will first make a lower part, movable part, which will be like list range. So we will first define how many we want to fix. So fixed number equal, for example, 3. If I give fixed number 3, we will have 1, 2, 3 fixed panels. Okay, so maybe fix n plus 1 up to nn times nn. Okay, Okay, right. And give plus 0. And then we will just shuffle the lower part. And then we will add self-board. Yeah, okay. Maybe we will copy this. And self-board is up to fix n. From 1 to fix n plus 1. And then add the lower part. I think this works. Let's try this. Okay, so this here, fine. 1, 2, 3 part is fixed. We have the movable part, like this, S. Okay, it's solved. Let's space. Oh, very difficult. But still, great. Solved in 14 steps, which is good enough, right? Yeah. Okay, maybe we don't need this right now. So it demonstrated the moves very well. Okay, let's try N. Of course, you have sometimes maybe N, S. Thinking. Oh, done. Okay. Maybe we will write how many moves are necessary to solve instead. Space. So, good. 8 steps. So maybe now it's almost done. You can enjoy and play with it. So the solver function, instead of writing all the length, okay, after returning from solver, we don't need just write lem -1 is enough. Or we can write it not here, but here. After successfully solving, okay, here. Len path -1 steps. Okay, so this is fun. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, S. Thinking. Give up. Okay, N. Okay, solved. S. 9 steps. Fine. Very good. So now we can play with it. So try it and see what is the possibility of solving. Good. N. S. Yeah. Seems it's working very good. I hope you will enjoy it. And from next time, we will do wiser solvers. Okay? Be sure to come back. Bye bye.